Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching and feel free to subscribe and be part of this amazing community. Stay tuned, greatness is coming.
Front of it? The bin is inside, I think. And you'll need a key probably.
I'll do keys.
So you want me to reverse it?
You're going to take a picture.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Whereabouts? Inside of the gate?
Right where the gate is.
This one or on the one on the back?
That one there.
Yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah. To the left of you.
Okay. First one.
First one.
But you can imagine a scenario with cars parked all over that street, so it would have made it even more difficult, and probably would have needed to leave the lorry at the top of the road, and then you would have to wheel all these bins there. But happy days.
Further back
Yeah.
to the end.
Towards the bin stores and all that.
Right hand side.
Yeah, where the last door is.
Last door. Okay.
Hello.
Those bins,
Yeah.
they look very different. How you gonna tip them?
I'm going to bit simple.
Ah, they got this tip on the front. But no, it's not on. It's not on.
Now when I see this type of bins without any lid on top of them, I expect them to have rats or mice inside of them. So I'm just very precautious. I'm not scared about mice or rats or anything like that. It's just about if you get bitten by them rodents, you'll end up doing loads of injections and loads of treatments. And them bloody rats, honestly, they go anywhere. Even in the tiniest hole, they just gonna go through it. They're just gonna find a way. That's the most horrible part of the job. It's just because you have to take all this refuse waste. You never know what is inside. You never know who belonged that to. You never know. It's just a surprise, honestly. It's just a question mark. But you'll be exposed to all of this uncertainty. So the job comes with a big risk. But if you don't take it, you will not see how it is. So you'll have to take the risk in order to feel as a bin man. Some places might have just a bin. Some places might have 2 bins, 3 bins. Some places they got 10, 20, 50, whatever. Depends how the business is going. Depends how big is the place. It depends on many factors. As you can see here, it was dry. The weather was still alright. But imagine if you have to do this during really bad weather conditions, especially if it's windy. You never know what is inside. If it's windy, it's gonna blow it away. If it's raining, it's gonna add extra effort into your day. Instead of doing 8 hours of work, you'll end up doing 11 hours, 12, 13 hours a day. The job comes with massive risks, and you know, I don't think everyone can understand this unless you just accept it and experience this type of job. Otherwise, you know, I might say something, someone else might say something else. That doesn't mean that I will be right or that person will be right. Maybe both of us will be right, or everyone will be right, or everyone will be wrong. If you don't jump on it to see how it is, you'll never know. For me, it was more as a challenge. I never seen myself as a bin man to work in a bin wagons and all these things. I never seen myself doing trade waste and being into the waste sector. I never seen myself doing that. It's not only because I see myself more than that. I never thought I will experience something like this. I mean, how I've seen it, it's just a job, pays the bills, but to be fair, I think it's more than that. It takes a lot from you, and I don't think it gives you as much as it takes. It's not a fair exchange after all. You'll have to wake up really early in the morning, you'll have to do loads of jobs. If you know the customers, that can give you an idea of how is to finish early. But if you don't know the customers, if you got someone to work with which is not really friendly person, if you just have to do loads of jobs and awkward ones and traffic and awkward people, and it will just add up time and add up and add up. I don't mind if I have to work through the agency, or I just have to be full employed. What I care about is just wake up, go safely to work, go safely through the day, come home safely, do my day, make everyone happy. But I have to be on top of that priority list, because in my life I have to be the person that matters the most. I know it sounds a bit selfish, but you need to put yourself first, because if you put the job first, if you put something else first, you'll actually not give yourself any credit, So you need to value yourself. If you do this type of job, that doesn't mean you don't value yourself. You value yourself because you invest in yourself. You're going there, you provide work, you're getting paid for it, you save the money, you invest the money, and at the end of the month, at the end of the year, you'll be richer, you'll have more experience, you'll have more opportunities, you'll meet more people, you'll have memories, you'll make friendships. So how I see it as a challenge. It's just 50-50. It gives, it takes, it gives, it takes. You just have to be happy with what you have to do. This is just an honest opinion about it. I've done it. If someone offers me the job tomorrow, I don't think I'll do it again, to be fair, because I think there are many other jobs better than this, 100%.